The trooper and I.
So a quick view run around of Larry Thompson's layout. This is a Helix right here. Sorry for the jumpiness. I'm trying to film and watch where I'm going at the same time.
And he was one of these I don't know how to tell you this.
Double deck Spring Grove paper plant up top in Western Maryland. Below is Green Mount. Pretty substantial paper plant up top. Turn around and show you the other end real quick. There's a barge.
Why give me the side eye?
I've got two of them sitting in staging to come into the yard yet.
There's toilet paper and white glue, and some paint to do the water. And around the furnace to Edgemont. I switched this area just a little while ago. Pretty complicated layout area. A lot of fun.
You have to take up the axles down the other end, stick it in from down the other end. There's a switch coming off the main too, in front of the cabooses. Have you ever seen that chat?
And there he's got. Around this way.
Yeah, my brother loves ChatGPT. I won't touch him.
I was talking to Denny over at Bobson and
Run around Steve here. Passing siding.
passing siding. Narrow passing siding.
Yeah. Kind of do an overview of your layout.
Okay.
I haven't done that yet.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks.
Larry just changed this whole area. Actually, I think it works a lot better. Because then instead of dropping the engines off in the yard there, we're actually dropping it off in the facility. That's working out pretty well.
Yeah.
So it just drives the yard master crazy.
This is the first time.
Of course, we all drive the yard master crazy.
First time it's been tried, so it's this here. This is the.
See, then we get the big ass yard master here. Oh, sorry. Did I say that?
This picture's just the
So up top,
I don't have the picture there.
it's Hampstead,
That's the
Maryland.
picture of that area. And it was proof. I said, make it snow.
Everything pretty much originates and ends here in the yard. So,
Chocolate cherry.
just like I do, Larry uses JMRI to do a switch list.
I didn't know that was going on.
So, nice little scenic area. And then we're coming around in one of the hardest places on the whole layout to switch.
Spent money on it.
Down here, he actually has a coal branch that runs around.
And when shipping started acting stupid, that was when I decided, okay, I'm
But
gonna try
here's this PIA to run. just because it's kind of crazy with all the tracks and all the industries you have to serve in here. So.
And that seems to work fine for me.
Camera crew by.
Well, now we got the trains backing up instead of doing the passing sliding thing. Anyway, coming around here. He's around there and then into a Helix. So pretty good size Helix. So in essence, that's the railroad. So 33 by 33, I think, is the dimensions.
Yes.
So yeah, looks great. We just had 10 operators here for a couple hours. So all the trains left about the same time and came back about the same time. So the yard master was going, ah. So that's gonna be a really neat scene that Larry's got going here.
You got cars on this end of 5 and cars on this end of 5.
He's done really well with a lot of the scenes here, the buildings he's putting together. So, this engine facility, like I said, worked out really, really well. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this and look for future videos. Hey guys.